Plugable sent this universal tablet stand for our review, and I'm super excited to show it to you. It looks incredible, and it's right here. Check this out. It looks like it belongs in a super cool store display. Listen to this. It's so satisfying. I love that little click. What I love about it the most, and I'll take the tablet out, it will work with any sort of tablet. I love the fact that this here is kind of a grippy material. So when your tablet is on there, it doesn't want you. I'm really trying to move it. It doesn't want to slide off because the rest of this whole stand is made of metal, which is really cool. So really nice, grippy as well on the actual surface where the stand is. And check this out. I can have different positions. And once I set it, it completely stays like that until I actually apply a bunch of pressure to bring it all the way flat like that. So again, I can have it any way I want. And when I'm ready, okay, I like it like this. Done and done. Ready to work. I love this thing.